Okay, welcome back. What I want to continue with is types of electrical systems, and we're looking at types of electrical systems B. Now, you may come across some of this previously, but each element and section is different and provides you with an extra knowledge, okay? So please use that as you see it. Now, Microsoft did away with photos, and I thought I was going to lose the right to edit my videos, which I did for a couple of days. But as I read through Microsoft's work, it indicated, show me where they had stored it, and it goes on the photo legacy. Now I know this hasn't got anything to do with you, but it had a lot to do with me when I come to cleaning up my videos and so forth. And I thought for a moment I was going to have to go and look for a new video editor. But nonetheless, it seems like we are on track. So let's continue. Identify the different types of electrical installation and systems. Okay. Now I'm hoping I haven't done this twice. I really am hoping that I haven't done it twice. No, I haven't. Honestly, okay. And this is what we would have covered already, basically in part A, okay? I'm not going to read that through to you, you can read that for yourselves, okay? Let me make sure I come back so we can get it fully in view. Okay. Now, outcome from this session. At the end of this session, you should be able to know the different types of electrical installations required for security, alarm systems, and CCTV. Know how door entry systems work. Okay. Now, security systems. A basic alarm system will contain at least the following: a closed-loop circuit, a means of tamper-proofing, a means of zoning to control the areas within which the alarm functions, panic buttons so that the alarm can be manually operated, entry and exit systems, a bell or sounder. Okay. Now you can obviously have silent alarms which only goes off in a different place or by giving a flashing light indicating there is something wrong. Okay, so that's another element as well. Now here we have a closed loop system. This system has a series of switches that are closed, and these keep the power to the relay on until they are broken. When the switch is open, the relay de-energizes and the alarm is called. Okay. Okay. These you should be familiar with. The advantage of the closed loop circuit is that it is fail safe. If a switch is opened or a cable cut, the alarm will operate. So it tells you when something goes wrong. Okay. And here's another type of closed loop system. Again, make sure you're familiar with each type in turn, okay? The call points could be pressure pads, magnetic strips, reed switches. The sounder are often warblers instead of bells. And what a warbler is, it makes a funny noise, okay? It warbles rather than dings or chimes. A tamper loop can be run with the zone loops. It runs around the call points, forming a closed loop. Should this be broken even when the alarm is switched off, the alarm will sound. Okay. Alarm systems. Alarm system all contain sounders, power supply, switches, detectors, master control switch, control panel. Okay, basically. CCTV, closed circuit television video system. The connection is made via a coaxial, fiber optic or single twisted pair cable. Wireless transmitters, web camera and camera servers are becoming more common as technology advances. Video multiplexing can now record multiple cameras onto a single tape. CCTV is used in retail, security, hotels, offices, education, etc., daycare facilities, manufacturing or industrial facilities, gambling facilities, etc. Just want to see who is trying to rip them off. If you're a gambler, sorry about that. You can never beat the house, okay? Here, cameras for CCTV. Can be board, a lens mounted directly on a closed circuit board. These are easy to disguise and hide. Bullets similar to board camera but are shaped like a length of lipstick. Fixed dome, the camera remains in a fixed position. This is larger and gives better clarity of vision. Pan, tilt, zoom, PTZ. A dome camera which can be moved within the dome. Okay. Full size, much greater range of options, but visually very obvious. Network, instead of using video output, this connects directly to the computer network and functions as part of the building management system. Okay. Just trying to make sure that you can see that for yourself. Okay. Control of CCTV device used to manage and control the images. Video switches, an early low-cost method used to manage images. It's also called a sequencer and can switch cameras around a side a set times. Quads, these take 4 images and display them on a monitor. Multiplexers, these are used to record multiple cameras onto a single tape. Matrix, used on large sites where hundreds of cameras are monitored. It allows cameras to be monitored at different locations. Recorders can be analog. These are continuous using a lot of tape or digital, i.e. JPEG, MPEG, etc. The storage devices will cover hard drives, digital tape, DV tapes, etc. Okay. Door entry system. When electronic means are used to control access to a building, the entry system will contain an electric means of locking and unlocking the door, something to close the door once it is open, spring-loaded device, a sensing device to act as a check on whether the door has actually closed, the controller to allow the person inside the building to signal the door to open, etc. Okay. Let me just try something else here now. Let me just bring up something else here. 1 second. So I want to look at the various type of CCTV cameras available. Okay, different types of CCTV cameras. Let me have a look at this, see if it gives me anything new. Okay. Right, you're not giving me anything I want. Okay, well, turn on external dome cameras. Okay, you can see what those are there. Bullet camera. Okay, that's what we mentioned earlier. Okay, so you can see that's what that is here. Okay. Okay, it tells you here the band. Now here we have a C mount camera. Okay. And day and night camera. Okay. And here we have PT, the pan, tilt and zoom camera. Okay, that's what that is about and what it looks like. Okay. Now again, IR infrared night vision is applicable in this case here. Okay. So again, read the text, look at what it says, look at what it offers. Zoom. Okay. 36 times optical zoom. Okay. Let me carry on down, pick up the other one. Discrete CCTV, thermal image cameras. Okay, infrared. You can see what these are. And here we have varifocal cameras. Okay. Network cameras. Okay, here we are. Okay, that's what we can look at. These cameras share the images across the internet, so CCTV footage can be easily accessed. Okay, so if you're doing a little stealing there on the side, and this is going across the internet, then you know everybody's going to see it. Okay, so forget the nicking bit. High definition cameras as well here. Okay, let's see what we've got. Okay, here we have, okay, high definition. So okay, I think that's about it for now actually, and I hope you found this useful. Again, look at what is available, keep up to date in regards to any regulations that is now becoming applicable in regards to the IE regulations. You must be familiar with that at all point in times. Okay, thank you for your time and have a good day. Bye bye.